Hey, you guys, it's Jerry Morgan with Code Blue Computing. It's time to talk nerdy to me. You know you want to. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about passwords. And the truth is that the person, whether it be male, whether it be female, the person that holds the passwords has the keys to your kingdom. And your kingdom in this case is your business. So what do we need to think about as it relates to passwords? Well, one thing has come out for sure in the last 18 to 24 months. We've got a lot of people that are reusing the same password: work, play, bank, credit card, Office 365. They're using these same passwords everywhere we go. Well, what has happened now is people are fairly easily able to reverse engineer, to do some social engineering on your organization. And guess what? If you've got an accounting person within your organization that had a password that was revealed in, who knows, one of these thousands of breaches that are floating around in the dark web, guess what? If they're using that same password along with their email address for your organization, which is pretty easily available to them, guess what? I mean, they could pop into your Office 365 account. They could delete things from OneDrive. Oh, wait, you've got a document on your OneDrive called passwords. Hey, they've got the passwords for everything. So the person that has your passwords has the keys to your kingdom. So as a business owner, what are you going to do with this? What are you going to unpack? What steps are you going to take? First and foremost, you need to have a written data security plan in place for your business. And part of that plan is passwords and the frequency at which those passwords are changed. Another thing that we're going to do is maybe for banking, for credit cards, for financial access, maybe we use a different email address than we use for everything else. We certainly aren't going to use admin because that's very easy to figure out. So we're going to be changing these passwords frequently. We're going to require everyone that works for us change those. And as an IT provider, there's ways that we can manage that for you, coordinate that for you, make sure that is happening, because it needs to happen. But in 2019, it is very important to get those passwords under control and not be using easily identified passwords. I can't tell you how many times we'll go in and we'll say, hey, what's your password? Well, my password's password. No, it's password. It's password. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. So really, put on your list of things to do to get your passwords changed, to talk to your staff about getting their passwords changed, to create some additional layers of security for your business. That's what we're talking about all the time. It's about building as many layers of security to protect what's yours, right? So again, my name is Jerry Morgan. I own Code Blue Computing right here in Denver, and we provide cybersecurity services and IT support services to businesses throughout the region. So if this is something that you found helpful, I want you to pop a comment in the chat below that I know you were here today. I want you to share it out so that other people can see it as well. And if you have any questions, I want you to private message those to me, because we're using those questions, using the questions that business owners have to put together these nerdies so that they're helpful for a lot of people. So again, it was great talking nerdy to you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You have a great day. Thanks. Bye.